Why do big applications use classes and objects instead of writing everything in functions? Because object-oriented programming helps us build scalable, reusable, and cleaner software. Today, you'll finally understand OOP in Python, visually and simply. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a programming style based on real-world objects. Instead of writing isolated functions, we organize code into reusable blueprints called classes. For example, a car can have properties like color and speed, behaviors like start and stop. 1. What is a class? A class is a blueprint for creating objects. Think of it like a design template. For example, the blueprint of a house is not the actual house. In Python, classes define attributes and methods. This class defines one attribute, color, one method, start. 2. What is an object? An object is an actual instance created from a class. You can create multiple objects from the same blueprint. Both objects share the structure defined by the class. 3. Understanding the self keyword. The self keyword refers to the current object. It allows objects to store their own data independently. Now each object stores its own color. 4. Constructor, init. The constructor automatically runs when an object is created. It initializes object data. This makes object creation cleaner and more scalable. 5. Encapsulation. Encapsulation means hiding internal implementation details. It protects data from direct modification. The double underscore makes variables private. 6. Inheritance. Inheritance allows one class to reuse properties and methods of another class. This reduces duplicate code. Dog automatically inherits from animal. 7. Polymorphism. Polymorphism means one method can behave differently depending on the object. Same method name, different behavior. 8. Abstraction. Abstraction hides complexity and only shows essential functionality, like driving a car without knowing how the engine works. Why OOP matters in real projects. OOP is used everywhere. Web development, game development, machine learning, large enterprise software. It helps teams build modular and reusable systems. Common beginner mistakes. Using classes when simple functions are enough. Confusing class variables with instance variables. Overcomplicating small projects. Final summary. Let's recap quickly. Class, blueprint, object, real instance encapsulation, data protection, inheritance, code, reuse. Polymorphism, same method, different behavior, abstraction, hide complexity. If you understand OOP deeply, you won't just write Python code. You'll start designing software like a real engineer.